Hello everyone. Today I wanted to tell everyone that I will be changing the name of my channel from Glam and Couture to DIY Naturally. Please let me know what you think of these changes. I also am sharing pics of why I have not been putting out videos in the past 5 months leading up to my new grand baby's arrival. I transformed my daughter's room, the hallway of my home, and my bathroom, and also gave my daughter a baby shower. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.
Come on.